What you're looking at here is ink that is all over our master bedroom carpet. How did that happen, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm here to tell you. Sadie, our little dog, had surgery last week, and so we've been keeping a cone on her when we're not there to keep an eye on her. So we put a cone on her as usual, and instead of putting her in her cage, we left her out in the house so she wouldn't be cramped with her big cone on her head. So she got spooked somehow and ran up the stairs, which were blocked by chairs, found a pin, chewed it up, and got it all over our carpet. I've already tried these spots with hairspray, but I did it wrong, I think. I didn't just dab it. I probably spread it around a little bit. I'm also gonna try some HEB rubbing alcohol. And another suggestion was to try glass cleaner, so I'll try that too, or Gooby Gone. We'll try them all. I'll let you know how it works out. So these spots back here were Gooby Gone, which I ended up redoing with my glass cleaner because the Gooby Gone really didn't do any begoning. But you can see that it looks much better. Then I did glass cleaner on top of my hairspray over here because the hairspray really wasn't cutting it. Who knows, maybe it's alcohol-free hairspray. I don't know. So then over here, I haven't done this part yet. Over there was alcohol, and it did a great job.